What's up guys, I'm Mod Diego 360. Okay, this is my second video. Okay, this time in this talk I'm going to do a thing. I'm going to show you all my cars. Okay, I'm going to show you. Look, I have Hot Wheels cars. Look, all I like. I'm going to this. I like this Mustang. I have Caddy. Look, a Volkswagen. What I have the Beetle. I'm going to show you cars. Like I have this. Look, this. I have Ferrari, but in big. I don't know in what place I have the Ferrari. Okay. What I have this Mini Cooper. It's good. What I have another thing. Okay, another thing I'm going to show you is this. That is good. Look, I'm fixing this car. It's a Porsche. Okay, I'm going to show you this Porsche. Okay, I don't know if have something have. I don't know. Look. I'm going to pick up these things. Going to pick. Okay. Okay. Have this. Have this. Look, is good. And the other, I don't know. I don't know what happened and doesn't work. Okay, another thing that I'm going to show you is that all my collection. Okay, I'm going to show you all my collection. I have all the Beatles. I have another Beetle, and another Beetle. No, this is not Beetle. It's other car. I have Porsche. I have what? I have cars like this. I have a lot of cars. I have this Caribe of Volkswagen. Look, I have other cars. What I have? I'm going to show you. I have this car. Look, this thing of this car. Look, it's good. It's like Chevy of GM. Another thing is another thing that I'm going to show you. This thing that I have. Look, I'm going to show you. Oh no, it doesn't work. It doesn't have battery. Um, Another thing that I'm going to say is that subscribe. I want more subscribers. I want more subscribers. Subscribe please to my channel, and I'm going to show you all my cars. But subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to this channel of Mod Diego 360. And I'm going to show you another thing. Other thing that I'm going to show you is this. I buy this. I buy in Michigan. Look, it's good. I buy in Michigan. What other things I have? I don't know. I have other things good. I have this. I like this. I have the other that is. I'm going to put this on the place. I have this that I buy in Quebec. Look. Okay. I have this thing that I like. That said, I need my garage. I need my garage time. I like this that have this future mechanic of duty, and this thing that have come in future mechanic on do it. I like this thing. I like a lot of things. What I have look this. I have a car that is Mustang. It's not real, but it's for my look. This car is mine. Look, it's good. I have another things. I have this. Look, it's good. What other things I have? I have all the games of Forza Horizon. I don't know what I have. I have Rayo McQueen. I I have a lot of things. Um, what other thing I have? I have a boogie. Look, I have this boogie. I have the Golf GT, the new one. Look, it's good. Look, it's good. What other thing? I have the Combi of Volkswagen. Look, the edition of Hot Wheel. Look, I like this. I like. What other thing I have? I have a lot. I have Cabrio of Volkswagen. I have this edition of blue. Look, the edition of blue, and I have in edition of red. Look, I like the red. Look, it's good. I have this thing. Look, what I have this thing that I said this. I'm going to set words in Spanish because I don't know English a lot, very well, but a lot not. I have this. In Spanish is camioneta. Okay, it's good. Look, I'm restoring this thing. If you want to see, look, it's good. I'm going to end this project, and it's all. This video is not a lot, but the thing that I'm going to tell you, subscribe to the channel, please. I want more subscriber and put like. Okay, this is the end of the video. Okay, please subscribe, put like, and the thing that I'm going to say in all my videos, good luck and be happy.